Now after discount we are for the bill of exchange. Now let me give you a brief introduction for the bill of exchange, what it means. Now what happens when some particular persons are doing the business, a retailer, a wholesaler, when they are doing the business, what some specific terms they are going to use it. Now a businessman does not like to sell the goods, the articles, whatever he is making on a credit, but they have to do it. Now why they have to do it? Because that is a competition. If suppose one businessman is not allowing, second can allow it. So for that, now the selling the goods on a credit is possible only if the businessman is ensured that he will be getting the amount back, whatever the words have been exchanged in between the two. Is it clear? So now, are you sure that everyone goes on the words whatever he has done it with each other? Because words are very cheap. Words are very cheap which we are using. Now sometimes what happens, suppose a businessman, I am a retailer, I am a shopkeeper, I just went to a wholesaler, I want some articles, I just say okay, the total amount is for 50,000 and I am going to pay you within a month. Now within a month means what? Within a month means it can be right from the day when you are taking the goods, from that to 29 or 30 days. So that is within a month, but still a wholesaler says okay, it's all right. But are you sure that you are going to pay within the month? By mistake, some things, by any reason, it goes for 2 months. Then what happen? Then how the businessman can go with the business? This is the basic thing. Is it clear? Now, the seller, the wholesaler, whatever it is, he would like to have some written instructions when he is giving something to on a credit. Then he would just like to have something written instructions. Now if the debtor agrees, the creditor will write a formal instructions to make a payment by the debtor within a certain specified time period. Is it clear? So that agreement which is written in between the two, that instructions which is written in the two, that is called bill of exchange. Now what is the importance of the bill of exchange? Mathematically, we are just going to discuss only that things in this chapter. Okay. So now let's go with the definition for the bill of exchange. Now we are having, now according to the Indian Negotiable Instrument Act, a bill of exchange is an instrument, a document. I have already mentioned, I just told you it was a something written instructions. Okay. So a bill of exchange is an instrument, a document guaranteeing the payment of a specific amount of money either on demand or at a set of time with the payer named on the document. Okay. So this is called bill of exchange. Now more specified terms we can use it. Now more specifically, it is document contemplated by or consisting of a contract, because contract is a term for the economics. Okay. So of a contract which promises the payment of money without condition. Is it clear? Which promises the payment of money without condition, which may be paid either on demand or at a future date. Whatever you are going to tell it. And without condition is a term. You can't say that there is no condition for it. Without condition is something that we are having. If we are just using this word in English, we can use it as a noun also, as an adverb also. Okay. So without condition means I am giving you something money, so you have to, when I am giving, you are not a person to give me any condition for it. Is it clear? So any condition which may be paid either on demand or at a future date, the term can have different meanings depending on what law is being applied and what country it is used in and what context it is used in. I have just mentioned here what country it is used, because Already we are writing here according to the Indian Negotiable Instrument Act, but still I just want to clarify it that every country has a little bit change of the laws. Okay. So, this is about the bill of exchange.